Hi, my name is Manny. I'm the service manager for Porsche Ontario, and since January this year we have been doing a restoration project on a 1989 911 Targa. It came to us with 117,000 miles and it was in a very, very bad state. There wasn't an area of the car that didn't need some kind of attention. The engine was pretty bad, wasn't producing any power, misfiring, leaks everywhere. The suspension had broken components, worn bushes, the brakes were in pretty bad state of repair. The interior was literally falling apart. The leather on the seats was cracked. The roof lining was dropping down. The instruments were delaminating glass, and all kinds of areas in the car were just needing some attention. So we decided that it would be a cool idea if we, instead of just restoring the car as it came out of the factory, why not turn it into an RS, turn it into something special. So that's what we did. We paid a lot of attention to the engine, made sure that that was performing the way it should. We changed a lot of components. We paid a lot of attention to the interior and gave it a lot of RS accents and some few additions as well, just to give it that RS kind of theme. We completely redid the suspension and braking system. We lowered the car to European specs just to give it that aggressive stance. It has a sports suspension. We added the famous RS ducktail and the front spoiler, and we used an extensive amount of parts from the Porsche Classic range. Some of the interior features we got directly from Porsche, which was an amazing thing. We had a black and red theme and found just the perfect steering wheel for the car from Porsche Classic, and that's just one of hundreds of parts that we used in the project. During the restoration, there's been a huge media following with regards to the project. We've had several events at the dealership, all of which have raised great interest in the car, and we actually get regular visits from our clients now just to pop in and see the progress that we've done on the car, and it's just been huge for us. People actually ask me and contact me personally and ask me about the project and how it's going, and people seem to be really vested in it, and it's been great to see and involve all our clients with the project. It's been fantastic. On behalf of all my team here at Porsche Ontario, both service, parts and sales, we'd like to thank everybody that followed us, everyone that helped us put this beautiful machine together, various vendors, and just too many people to mention here, but we would really like to thank you all. And the car will be on display sometime in the future, so if you want to come in and have a closer look, you're very, very welcome. I would just like to say that I'm very, very proud to present to you our finished 1989 3.2 Carrera Targa RS. Thank you.